All right, let's get this filled up.
And I'll hold Honey Bun.
You hold Honey Bun. You can hold her up.
This is good. No, stay. Come on.
Okay, so we're just, oh, look, there's a bowl in there. Okay, so, whoopsie. That's good for now.
Treasure.
Because we used to have to do peanuts by scooping it with a bowl, and now we have a better way. So let's, okay, well, we can just start. So you're right. We're going to close this up real quick by just folding it over or tying it. Okay, you got Trixie and Honey Bun?
Yep.
Okay. Honey Bun is there, baby.
Hey, grab
This
it.
is Hartley and Gracie, my nieces, and youngest eBay employees. Yes, they're getting paid for today. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah. Get $5, man. $5.
All right, all right. And then she just lifts that up and closes it up. This is a magnet underneath.
And then
That's
tie it up.
Caleb's design. This was all made by Gabby,
And
other
then you tie it.
teenage employees. Okay, nice.
Oh, Tinker
And
came
here's
to join
Tinker
us.
Bone.
She's like, bag.
And we use only
Oh, yeah.
biodegradable peanuts because sometimes Trixie especially steals them and eats them, but it's just cornstarch. And Tinkerbell does her usual little grump out. She always does that. Okay, Gracie, do you want to make one now?
Hartley, you get dogs. Okay.
And so now that they've
You
been seen, you can let them escape if you want. Okay, you're going to get a bag. Now, this was rigged up earlier, and
then it broke.
yeah, I don't know how to wig it. Okay, you ready? So we just tilt this down. Let it fly.
Come on. It's broken.
No, it'll work. It's just got a little.
I think
Is it coming? Here it comes. Watch out.
I
Okay,
think that was
and
good enough.
close it up.
Now it's my turn.
Okay. And we're making these because they're like molded foam when you pack things,
Okay, Trixie.
having these peanuts in the bags. Okay, ready? Close it up.
Peanut bag.
How much of a genius do you have to be able to be to use one of these?
I don't know.
How old do you have to be to operate this?
10. 8 and 10.
Yeah. We padded
Or
that a little
older.
bit for full disclosure. Okay. All right, you guys. I think we're good.
No, one more each. Yes.
Okay, you want to do one more each?
Yes. I got escaped.
Okay, you ready? I think we have just enough for one more each in there.
I'll go now. Okay. Maybe a little bit too much in there.
Okay, that's okay. That's why we have a big box at the bottom to catch
Yeah.
errant packing peanuts.
Yes.
All right,
Which
next.
she said.
Yeah. I saw one of these that I could buy, and it was $400. Hence, we made our own. Just a tiny bit more.
Drop it! She has one!
She does? Can you?
This is gonna be ugly, so I'm moving.
If you don't, yeah, it's just cornstarch, so it is okay if she ends up eating it.
Drop it.
Not that we feed them that on a regular diet. All right. I think we have